Hello, this is payboxtimer.com. We can be reached at 647-931-1829. Now this is a demonstration of how to register as a tenant with our platform. You simply go to the login screen. You are not a landlord, so you are a tenant. You select register, and here you would put your information in. You're going to use a test account called paul@yahoo.com with a password of that we're going to make up. And we are going to register. Having done so, what we can do now is select tenant login, paul@yahoo.com. We put in our password and we log in. So that we have noticed here on the left hand side, we can do three things. We can buy time. There is our account, and we can set up US, Canadian, or Mexican currencies. We can put in our name, Paul Smith. Save the profile. We have our wallet balance here. And once we have the wallet balance, we can add funds. Select the amount that we want to add. And we can pay via PayPal. We won't do that right now. You can either pay by PayPal or a debit or credit card. Those funds will be added to your payboxtimer.com wallet, and you will see them here. You can log out. There is also an option for prepaid codes that have been loaded by your landlord, so you will see both amounts. So you can go back to either buy time, you can select or look for a device. That you want to use to send your payments to. You can check to see if it's been connected via the web interface. And if it is not, so this means that we were not able to connect with it via web. In that case, you can either download our iPhone app or our Android app and connect to our Paybox timers using via Bluetooth. And there you have it. This is Paybox Timer web interface for tenants. We can be reached at 647-931-1829.